Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you love backpacking and want lightweight, reliable cookware for your next trip, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best cookware sets for backpacking, carefully selected for their durability, weight, heating performance, and real user feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. MalloMe Cookware Mess Kit. The MalloMe Cookware Mess Kit is one of those rare finds that manages to balance practicality with genuine build quality. It's made from anodized aluminum, which not only conducts heat efficiently, but also resists scratches and dents surprisingly well for such a lightweight setup. Inside the kit, you'll find a non-stick pot and pan, 2 bowls, a folding spork, soup spoon, wooden spatula, and a small cleaning sponge, all neatly packed into a compact nylon pouch. Everything stacks perfectly, which keeps it organized and easy to carry. Even if you're packing light, this one slips right into your bag without adding bulk. The best part is how simple it is to use and clean. Meals cook evenly, the non-stick surface wipes down fast, and you don't waste time on cleanup when you'd rather be relaxing. It's ideal for solo hikers or small groups who want a single, dependable kit. Lightweight, durable, and compact, the MalloMe Mess Kit gets the essentials right, which is exactly what you need when space and weight matter most. Number 2. Odoland Stainless Steel Cookware Set. Next up, the Odoland Stainless Steel Cookware Set, a versatile option built for campers who like everything in one place. This 9-piece set includes 2 aluminum pots, a mini folding stove, a stainless steel cup, a full cutlery set, a silicone cup protector, and a mesh carry bag. It's compact, portable, and designed for quick meals on the go. What really makes it shine is the stove. It's compact but powerful, folding down small enough to fit in your palm while still generating enough heat to cook efficiently. The anti-slip and anti-heat handles give you a good grip, so you're not worried about burns or spills. The materials feel solid without being heavy. Odoland uses anodized aluminum that heats evenly and resists wear, which means it's ready for years of outdoor use. It's simple to assemble, even easier to clean, and packs up neatly when you're done. Whether you're brewing coffee at dawn or heating soup after sunset, this set covers all the basics with minimal fuss. Number 3. THTYBROS Camping Cookware Set. The THTYBROS Camping Cookware Set is a strong pick for backpackers who want a full cooking setup that still fits neatly into a single pack. It includes a 1.7-liter pot, a 1.15-liter kettle, a 7.5-inch frying pan, a 3500W portable stove, a 500ml stainless steel cup, and 2 sets of utensils, all designed to nest together inside a compact mesh bag. The craftsmanship is impressive. Each piece is made from hard anodized aluminum, which resists corrosion, scratches, and heat damage. The design promotes fast heat transfer, helping you cook efficiently while conserving gas or fuel. Even with all those pieces, the set weighs less than 3 pounds, so it's easy to carry on long hikes. What stands out most is the practicality. You can boil water, fry, or cook full meals without juggling mismatched gear. It's compact enough for solo travelers, but can serve up to 4 people comfortably, making it flexible for different trips. Number 4. Alocs Camping Cookware Set. For those who want premium quality and professional-grade performance, the Alocs Camping Cookware Set delivers both. It's an 11-piece collection that includes a 1.7-liter pot, a 1.4-liter pot, a fry pan, universal lids, a heat-resistant gripper, folding stand, windproof base, and a high-efficiency spirit burner. This one's built with precision. The materials combine aerospace-grade aluminum, copper, and stainless steel, each chosen for a reason. Aluminum keeps it light, copper boosts heat transfer, and stainless steel adds strength and resistance to rust. Together, they create cookware that heats quickly, stays hot, and endures the kind of wear outdoor gear usually can't. The Spirit Burner is a standout feature. It offers consistent heat and burns cleanly, even in colder or windier conditions. You can also use the set with gas or kerosene stoves, giving you flexibility for any setup. Everything packs into a small carrying case that slides easily into a backpack. It's durable, versatile, and surprisingly elegant for something designed for the outdoors. Number 5. Smokey Camp Backpacking Cookware. Rounding out the list is the Smokey Camp Backpacking Cookware set, which focuses on performance and portability in equal measure. The pots are made from durable aluminum alloy, giving them strength without the extra weight, while the included 3,500-watt foldable stove adds serious firepower. The stove's design is one of the most efficient in its class. It features a built-in windshield, a piezo ignition system, and a flame controller that lets you fine-tune your heat level with ease. It also comes with 2 types of gas connectors, making it compatible with a range of fuel canisters. Setup is quick, and once you're cooking, it performs reliably even in windy or uneven conditions. The non-stick surface inside the pots helps keep cleanup simple, and the entire set packs down to a size that fits comfortably in most small backpacks. In terms of speed, it can boil a liter of water in roughly 3 minutes, a detail anyone who's been cold or hungry outdoors will appreciate. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best cookware sets for backpacking. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more gear reviews and outdoor essentials. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.